AWS's reInvent conference continues, and there have been a whole slew of new announcements. There's no real way I could delve into each announcement in depth, so let me summarize a bunch of the news in roughly descending order of interesting. Starting with Amazon unveiling Monitron, a service for monitoring factory workers and machines with low-cost sensors as it looks to push into the industrial sector, quoting the Financial Times. Launched by Amazon's cloud arm, AWS, the new machine learning-based services include hardware to monitor the health of heavy machinery and computer vision capable of detecting whether workers are complying with social distancing. Amazon said it had created a 2-inch low-cost sensor, Monitron, that can be attached to equipment to monitor abnormal vibrations or temperatures and predict future faults, end quote. AWS also unveiled new compute instances like the compute-heavy C6GN powered by ARM-based Graviton2 that AWS says performs 40% better on price versus comparable x86 options. If I got that pronunciation of C6GN wrong, sorry. I couldn't find a video that would explain how to pronounce that. Also say hello to Babelfish for Aurora PostgreSQL, which I did find a pronunciation for that one, which aims to make it easier and cheaper for Microsoft SQL Server users to migrate to the AWS cloud. And there's AWS Panorama, which can transform existing on-premises cameras into computer vision-enabled surveillance devices. There's a new custom machine learning training chip, Trainium, with support for TensorFlow, PyTorch, and MXNext coming in 2021. AWS claims it outperforms rival cloud chips. AWS also debuted Lambda functions with access to up to 10 gigabytes of memory and 6 virtual CPUs, the ability to deploy Lambda functions as container images, millisecond billing, and DevOps Guru, which spots and recommends fixes for issues that might cause outages, such as missing or misconfigured alarms and code changes. Finally, AWS launched previews of its Proton container management service for infrastructure provisioning and code deployment for serverless and container-based apps. So yeah, bunch of stuff there for you devs. If you want to dig into any of those headlines in detail, I've included a link in the show notes to a snapshot of the TechMeme homepage from yesterday, linking to each of the things I just mentioned.